and welcome to another Vlogmas. Today we are going to Ikea because we're going to get a new wardrobe and just have a look around to see if there's any other bits and bobs that we want to get. So I accidentally smashed this mirror, so we're gonna go, I was gonna get a new mirror, but instead we're gonna get a wardrobe that has a mirror on it. The wardrobe has a slivering of a mirror, so I'm just going to test it out and see, because this is a huge mirror. This is a huge Ikea mirror, so I don't know if I will be satisfied with the tiny mirror that's on the wardrobe, but we will see. And yeah, very upset about this. Look at it. So we are at Ikea. Hi James. So we're just about to go into Ikea. The car park looks a bit empty. Well, it's not empty, but it's not as full as it usually is, so hopefully it's quite empty inside. And we're going to start off with getting the famous Ikea meatballs and chips, because I am starving and we cannot wait. And James is very, very excited. So see you in there. So we've got the meatball and chips, 4 extra meatballs for £1, and then a blueberry cheesecake. And James got the same thing. He's just going to get the waters. Your eyes look blue. But they look bright blue. Trying this. Yeah, it's nice. This one is. But it looks a bit. It's one that someone put back. This is the snow one, but it's not. I think it's too snowy. It's basically white. I like this one. Oh, actually, I think this is the table that I need, because it looks nice. Oh no, actually, that is the table that I need, the one that goes up and down. But I want it to look like this, but there's no ones that look like that. Not wooden in there. Oh, I love this. Okay.
Really big enough.
So, hi James.
Hello. I'm just wondering, is this going to be...
What are you doing? You're not going to have heavy stuff on there.
No, but I'm just wondering, like, when you have like 20 things on it, so I could have this section.
What am I going to fit in here?
Well, you don't have anything that hangs up anyway.
I do, but I just fold them.
Yeah, good. Keep it that way.
So this is the one that I like. And let's go to the one that James chose online. I know, and I like the handles of the other one better as well. And the mirror is actually, yeah, the mirror is smaller, but it's not as small as I thought it was on when I looked online. That one or that one? So we're gonna get this one. James is just measuring it, even though it says the measurements on the thing already. James, pick it up from this place.
Is that whatever the rest there is?
Now we're just gonna look around to see what else we wanna get. Candles, do we need candles? Ooh, what's this? Oh, more candle stuff. I'd like a nice picture to put next to the wardrobe, but I don't see any. Right, look at this. They used to have nice pictures, but I don't see any here now. Ooh, James. Remember?
Yeah. It's £30 for both of them,
Is it?
isn't it?
I thought it was for one. Oh, look at this one. That's a big one. But I love these ones. Oh, look at this. That is nice. I wonder if these keep, if you have it outside, will they last? Like if we had like a door, yeah I know, but because the weather
Probably just gonna
outside.
get the colour eventually.
Yeah, because this does look nice with this door and then that.
Jesus Christ.
Tired?
Mm.
We're getting it. That's cool. Oh, it's a projector. Oh. Those are nice, but we have spotlights, so no point. In a different section.
Yeah. I don't think this is gonna fit.
It will.
No.
The queue is super long. It's pouring with rain. Just go into the car so I can drive round to the loading bay to put the stuff in. Finally back home from Ikea. Thank you for watching and hopefully see you tomorrow where I will hopefully be building this wardrobe. Bye!